Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Do not ignore this step. Restart your PC, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will stop Windows Update service. Now once this is done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. This will rename software distribution folder. Once done, copy the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. This will start Windows Update service. And then you can run the last command. This will create new software distribution folder. Once this is done, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on app readiness. Click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update service, make a double click on Windows Update, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Once this is done, now you can go back to Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can hit retry, try to install the update once again. Still not working, go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update option. Hit pause, and once the update is paused, click on resume updates, let the update install, and then you can check. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Now if scans are stuck, if nothing is happening, then you can follow the next step. Now the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write on the name of the update, that is KB5089573 or this update, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. In my case, it's version 25H2. So check your Windows version, then open Windows settings, go to system, and then scroll down, go to about option and check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. And then click on KB5089573. Click on the update over here and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to close all third-party applications. Make sure only the update is running, rest close everything. If you have anti-cheat program like Faceit Anti-Cheat, Riot Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC, and then try to update your Windows 11. Still not working. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, then go to Advanced option, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on it. Fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, you can click on finish and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds to close. close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. This process will take some time. Once done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.